this to go up.
So Wick and I just finally finished fighting with our weather strips. What a pain in the ass. And of course they don't seem to want to line up where the poop.
There we go. I think that's one on this guy.
Yeah, there's like a set screw in there.
Yeah, the other one's backed almost all the way out.
But it doesn't want to. Is there an adjustment on the second too? Because
No, there's only one adjustment.
it's funky back here too. But holy hell. Oh, give me my screwdriver. This one's not all the way down. Sorry. We have been fighting these all morning. God damn it. Did you make a discovery, Wiki?
Yeah. I think this piece that was never installed here appears to go on first underneath this front piece. I'm kind of, I guess this is what finishes off this edge.
Oh, God. All right, I got one more screw to fight back here before I become enraged. I've already had to walk away from it a couple times. But here we go.
Screws out of that other side.
Which getting the remnants from the old door weather strip off. We finally got all our screws in on our top strip, and we even put our front seal in as well. Looks good. That was a battle. All right. Wick and I got our hooks in. That was a interesting experience getting the mechanisms all in and everything, right, Wick? That was definitely a challenge. But we got them in. They're all in. Yep, we're gonna adjust these. We gotta adjust our top frame. We got all of our weather strip in finally. We've had a battle this morning, Wick and I. I mean, it's like 1:15 and it doesn't even feel like 1:15.
No.
But progress is being made. So Wick and I are taking the front A-pillar weather strip out. Lots of Home Depot screws. This screw up here is supposed to go through the strip itself. And it had a washer just friggin' laying around in there. Find any surprises on that side, Wick?
Yeah, Home Depot screws holding this chrome trim to the car.
That's about right.
And this guy's, shitty, wonky looking.
Little Mississippi fun time.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if I should try to find another one of these guys.
The track.
Yeah, the chrome trim.
Yeah.
Because this piece is riveted to it.
That's rustier than shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so is this one. Nasty. I'm going to take this out and we'll see what we got.